Dear students, welcome back to Aditya Edukam. Aditya Edukam provides general knowledge and general studies in English and Hindi. So now we discuss about yesterday's quiz. So let us discuss about yesterday's quiz. The first question of yesterday's quiz was national income estimates in India are prepared by. And the right answer is Central Statistical Organization. The second question was the purest form of iron is. The purest form of iron is. And the right answer is wrought iron. Next we move to our question number 3 was Holker Trophy is associated with which sport? Holker Trophy is associated with which sport? And the right answer is Bridgeport. The fourth question was who is the author of Unhappy India? Who is the author of Unhappy India? And the right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. The last question of yesterday's quiz was which is the oldest civilization of the world? Which is the oldest civilization of the world? And the right answer is Sumerian civilization. So this is all for yesterday's quiz. Now we discuss about the today's session. So let us start our today's session. The first question of today's session is at the Economic Times Award, who won the Business Reformer of the Year award for Corporate Excellence? Option A, D. Subbarao. Option B, Shaktikant Das. Option C, Urjit Patel. या option D, Raghuram Rajan. At the Economic Times Award, who won the Business Reformer of the Year award for Corporate Excellence? And the right answer is option B, Shaktikant Das. So next we move to our question number 2. In which year did the United States come out of the UN Human Rights Council? In which year did the United States come out of the UN Human Rights Council? Option A, 2021. Option B, 2020. Option C, 2019. या option D, 2018. And the right answer is option B, 2020. So we next move to question number 3. Who was the first president of Constituent Assembly? Who was the first president of Constituent Assembly? Option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. या option D, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The first president of Constituent Assembly is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C. Next we move to our question number 4. Which zone of the Indian Railways has commissioned at the government's first waste-to-energy plant? Which zone of the Indian Railways has commissioned the government's first waste-to-energy plant? Option A, East Coast Railway. Option B, South Eastern Railway. Option C, Central Railway. या option D, Northern Railway. And the right answer is option A, East Coast Railway. So we next move to our question number 5. Which is the first private space company to send the astronauts into space? Which is the first private space company to send astronauts into space? Option A, Orbital. Option B, Tesla. Option C, SpaceX. Yeah, option D, Blue Origin. The first private space company to send astronauts into space is option C, SpaceX. So next we move to our question number 6. Swasth Vayu, a non-invasive ventilator, was developed by which organization? Swasth Vayu, a non-invasive ventilator, was developed by which organization? Option A, ISRO. Option B, DRDO. Option C, CSIR. Yeah, option D, BARC. And the right answer is option C, CSIR. Next we move to our question number 7. Which company would be organizing a virtual event named One More Thing? Which company would be organizing a virtual event named as One More Thing? Option A, Google. Option B, Microsoft. Option C, Apple. Yeah, option D, IBM. And the right answer is option C, Apple. Next we move to question number 8. As per National Institute of Nutrition, what is the new ideal weight for adult Indian men? As per National Institute of Nutrition, what is the new ideal weight for adult Indian men? Option A, 55 kg. Option B, 65 kg. Option C, 75 kg. Yeah, option D, 85 kg. And the right answer is option B, 65 kg. So next we move to our question number 9. NTPC Limited was recently announced to assist which West African country for the development of solar power projects? NTPC Limited was recently announced to assist which West African country for the development of solar power projects? Option A, Ghana. Option B, Niger. Option C, Togo. Yeah, option D, Mali. And the right answer is option C, Togo. So next we move to our last question number 10. Which country has formed its first all-women communication team? Which country has formed its first all-women communication team? Option A, USA. Option B, Canada. Option C, Australia. Yeah, option D, Germany. The first all-women communication team has formed by option A, United States of America, USA. So students, this is all for today's sessions. Now I will ask some questions for your today's quiz. Please be participate. Write your right answer in this video's comment sections, and the lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung tab. So don't be lazy, be hurry up and participate. So the first question of today's quiz is, what is the name of electric two-wheeler that has been launched by IIT Madras? Which is the name of electric two-wheeler that has been launched by IIT Madras? Next we move to our question number 2. Which densities were ruling over Magad when Alexander invaded India? Which densities were ruling over Magad where Alexander invaded India? Next we move to our question number 3. Manav Thakur is a famous personality of which sports? Manav Thakur is a famous personality of which sports? Next we move to our question number 4. Change 5 lunar mission is undertaken by which country? Change 5 lunar mission is undertaken by which country? Next we move to our last question of this quiz session. Question number 5. Which technology company has renamed its business software package as Workspace? Which technology company has renamed its business software package as Workspace? So students, this is all for today's quiz. Please be participate, don't be lazy, be hurry, and the lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung Tab. Write your right answer in this video's comment sections. Thank you so much for watching. Still you are not subscribed Aditya Edukam. Do subscribe, do like and share within your friends. With best of luck.